In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix latency on Pro Tools. So there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you some of them you can actually try out. So the first one is going to be, and this one is likely going to be the most important, you want to go to the Setup menu up top, so click on this tab, and then in here you want to go to Playback Engine. Now depending on what you have connected here, you have these settings, and it says H/W buffer size, okay? So on here you basically want to click on the drop down and you want to set this to maybe like 128 or maybe even 64. Okay, so if you have that, you can try that out. As you can see, the lowest for me is 256, which is not optimal. I'm gonna experience some latency here, but if you have lower options like 128 or 64, that's gonna be perfect. Just go ahead and select those, okay, and then click on OK over here. It may have to reload your your session over here, but it's going to take effect. That's the first and the most important thing you should do. Now the second thing you should do is manage your power-hungry plugins, okay? So plugins require processing time, which introduces delay. So we want to bypass or make them inactive. So if you have them over here, so some high latency plugins are going to be mastering limiters, reverbs, or heavy virtual instruments. So if you have them over here, so for example, let's say I have this one, and it's like a very heavy plugin, you could go and right click it and click on bypass, and that's going to work. Or you can just click on over here on the left on this dot and then click on no insert to remove it, okay? That's the second thing you can do. And then the third option you actually have, sometimes depending on your settings, you're gonna have the low latency monitoring mode. This is gonna be available when you go to setup and then or not setup but options, and then here towards the bottom it's going to say something like low latency monitoring. So I don't actually have this over here, but if you do have it, make sure you actually enable this, because depending on your settings, you may or not see it, okay? And then kind of the fourth thing you can also do is enable this delay compensation over here for playback, okay? That's also going to help a bit, and those are kind of all the tips I have. So that's essentially all the things you can try. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.